Don't start disputing every negative account on your credit report. I know there are a lot of videos out there that claim that if you just dispute all your negative accounts, they'll magically go away. And that's just not true. Most of the time, disputing does not work. Most of the time, the creditors and collection agencies, they will just verify all those disputes and they'll all stay on your credit report. And what's worse is many times you might have disputed an account that was old, that hadn't updated in several years. But now, that creditor or collection agency, you just force them to update that account and verify it. And now you just made your credit score worse. So before you start disputing anything, contact me. Send me a message, send me an email, leave a comment on this video. Let me review your credit reports first so we can identify which negative accounts that we should attack and which negative accounts maybe we should just leave alone. I'll review your credit reports and I'll give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate, and let's get you back on the path to good credit.